Today I'm planting a tree. Hey Brad, how do I plant a tree?
Well, Steve, first you're gonna start with our self-watering rolling citrus planter. I've already got this one assembled with the wicking cells inside. So first I'm gonna take some of our Vego garden finishing soil, is we're gonna put a nice base layer in here, Steve. And you wanna make sure you work it down into those self-watering wicking cones.
That's what I would have done.
So once you pack a nice base layer in here, you're gonna take your fertilizer. You're gonna spread some of that around the bottom, Steve. Nice even layer. And then work that into that bottom layer of soil. Just like that. Can you guess the next part, Steve?
Do we put the tree in now?
We put the tree in there.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take my tree.
That looks heavy.
It's not bad, but you know, usually you want 2 people to do this job.
Okay. Is there somebody else?
No, just me and you today, Steve.
Okay.
So I'm gonna kind of break the root ball up on this nursery pot, get everything kind of loose, and then I'm gonna, in one swift move, take my tree out, put it right into my planter.
Nailed it.
Now, Steve, I know you're a little busy right now, but can I have you hold the tree? And then, next step, you're gonna take the rest of your soil and backfill around this tree. Right. Grab another bag. Watch out, Steve, I don't want to get your hands dirty. All right. Work that soil down in there. Oh, thanks. That's great. Good job. All right, and once you got enough soil in here, you're gonna pack it down. Give that tree a nice firm base. All right, and there you go. Now you're just ready for cocoa mulch and you're ready to go.
Well, that's
Thanks
great.
for your help, Steve.
You're welcome, Brad. That's how you plant a tree. Hey Brad, I think this is a good spot right here.
All right.
There we go. These are gonna look good right here.
Yeah. All right.
Perfect. Nothing like a hard day's work.
Anything else, Steve?
No, I think we're good. Thanks, Brad.
I'll see you later.